Operation Expendables, Germany Turn 3. This is Panzer George. So we did our tech roll. Nobody got tech. Germany spends 1 on tech. And with 61, we're building 1 destroyer, 4 infantry, 2 artillery, 1 bomber, and 2 fighters. And the fighters only cost 9. And we only have 1 battle. It's already set up on the battle board, but just for our viewers, we're fighting an A-19, and all the aircraft are coming from West Germany, with the exception of 1 in Holland, Belgium, and they all have 2 movement left over, so they will either land in Holland, Belgium, or on the German carriers, which are also going in that sea zone if the German carriers are still there. But that's the pledge we made to the pilots. And with the exception of these 2 transports and this 1 German bomber, everything else is going into the battle. So let's get to it. So here's our tech rolls. They were done earlier. I'm just going to clear that off now so we can actually do the battle. Excuse me. So what we have set up here is the German fleet coming in, 2 carriers, 2 submarines, a destroyer, a bomber, 5 fighters, a cruiser, 5 tacticals, and that's against a British carrier, destroyer, battleship, a cruiser, 2 aircraft on the carrier, and they've scrambled 6 fighters. That includes the French fighter. And the first thing we're going to do is AA fire. We're going to do that first. Here goes the AA shots. And it's a miss on the AA shots, so the extra training, unfortunately, wasn't good for the British, but the battle has just begun. Okay, so we're going to start with the Germans. So they have 5 tacticals. They have 5 fighters. They have 1 cruiser. They have 2 submarines, and the British have a destroyer, so we can't use a surprise strike. 2 submarines. We have a bomber firing with 2, and we have a destroyer. So let's double check that. So 5 tacticals, 5 fighters, a cruiser, 2 submarines, a destroyer, and a bomber. So we're going to do that now. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank goodness for the Air Force, otherwise we wouldn't get any hits at all. So 6 hits for the Brits. And now we'll do the British. So the British have 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then we have a carrier, and we have a destroyer. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. A carrier and a destroyer. Okay, we're going to roll that. And I got 6 hits. I have to mark that. So the hits here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9 hits. So 9 hits on the Germans and 6 hits on the British. So the British would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It would be all the naval. I'm assuming they want to keep their Air Force. And then 9 would be 4 off the carriers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's what's left. So we've still got all the fighters, 10, and I've got my dive bombers, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we're gonna do another turn. So 5 dive bombers, 4 fighters, and a cruiser. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hits this time. 2, 4, 6, 7 hits. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, less men and better hits. 7 hits, and now the 10 from the British. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6. Sorry, what am I doing here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 8. Yeah, 8 rolls. What am I doing? 10. Glad I counted. And they get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They get 5 hits. Okay, so 5 for the German, 1 off the cruiser, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 7 off the British, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they have 1 fighter left. And then we roll again. We have 3 dive bombers, 2 fighters versus 1 British. 1 British. So I get my hit. And the British miss. So now it's non-combat. So I land all those units in all the fighters in West Germany, and I do my bomber, which is going to carry out these 2 infantry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, into Egypt. And I'm also going to move 2 infantry and 2 fighters into Egypt as well to join that 1 Italian tank. And then we're going to move all these units into Finland from Norway. And then we want to maintain friendly relations with the Russians. So we're actually going to move units out of Poland. So we have to have 10 or fewer units, a maximum of 10 units in the border territory. So there's 3. I'm going to move back this mech. I'm going to move this tank to Western Germany. And I'm going to move these guys. I'm going to move all my mechs into Yugoslavia. My artillery and my mechs. Let's just see here. Oh yeah, that's 12. So I can move some guys back. So move my artillery back. And, okay, I've got a factory there. So there's 6, 7. I'm I'm going to move those infantry back. I'll move these 6 into here. That's 6, 7, 8. Move this infantry forward. That's 3. And move this infantry forward. So 3, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'll move my flak units back. So that makes 10 units in this area. And so the USA can't. I'm going to move my submarine up. 1, 2, to A10. And now I'm going to put on my reinforcements. So I'm going to put a bomber in West Germany. I'm going to put in 3 infantry. This is infantry here. I'm going to move those 3 infantry. Just going to do a little shuffle here. I only need 2 infantry in West Germany. And I'm going to put 2 fighters. Destroyer off Denmark. And 2 artillery will go into Germany. Give me a second, I'll just change that out. Yes, this is a 5. It's a 5 down here. There's a 5 unit. Okay, so disposition of forces. We have a submarine in A10. We have 2 transports and a destroyer in Denmark. We have I'm going to put these, no, I can leave those fighters there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fighters, 3 tactical, 1 bomber, and then 1 tank, 2 infantry, and 2 AA in West Germany, 1 infantry in Denmark. We've got 3, 6, 7, 8, 10 infantry, 2 artillery, 2 tanks in Finland. In Germany itself, we've got 4 tanks. We've got 2 mech, 2 artillery, 5 infantry, and 2 AAs. In Poland, we have 3 infantry. Slovakia, we have 6 infantry. Romania, we have 1 infantry. In Yugoslavia, we have 1 AA, 3 artillery, 4 mech, 5 infantry, 2 tanks. And I'm actually going to move my 2 tanks, so I'll move them up to Germany. And southern Germany, I have 3 mechs. Paris, I have an infantry and an artillery. And then down here in Cairo, I have 4 infantry, 2 fighters, and 1 transport. So let's go through our IPC count. So we're not at war. We have Denmark, we have Vichy, we have El Alamein, but I think Egypt counts as well. If that isn't the case, I'll move it back, but I think it does if it's Egypt. Yugoslavia, Bulgaria, Finland, France, Normandy 61, and I carry over 2, so that makes it 63 this turn. Thank you very much.